ഈ ചാനലിലെ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉപകാരപ്രദമായി എങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും വീഡിയോ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. LN സ്മാർട്ട് അക്കാഡമിയുടെ പുതിയ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം.
First question. A rectilinear figure bounded by more than 5 sides. Option A. Trapezium. Option B. Polygons. Option C. Rhombus. Option D. Quadrilateral. Answer option B. Polygons. Next question. A line 135 meter long represents 22.5 on plan, then RF is dash. Option A 1 by 100, option B 1 by 200, option C 1 by 300 and option D 1 by 600. Answer option D 1 by 600. Next question. As per Indian standard, the length of one link in 30 meter chain is dash. Option A 30 cm, option B 20 cm, option C 40 cm, option D 10 cm. Answer option B 20 cm. Next question. The limit of areas at which the survey is treated as plain is dash. Option A 100 km square, option B 150 km square, option C 200 km square, option D 260 km square. Answer option D 260 km square. Next question. The total number of zeros graduated on survey's compass is dash. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Answer option B 2. Next question. If the whole circle bearing of a line is 250 degree, its reduced bearing is dash. Option A n 700 minute west, option B s 70 degree west, option C s 70 degree east, option D n 70 degree east. Answer option B S 70 degree west. Next question. In plane table survey, measuring of lines and angles is mostly dispensed, but they are obtained dash. Option A graphically, option B by trigonometrically, option C by calculations, option D all the above. Answer option A graphically. Next question. The aldehyde used in plane table survey, its beveled edges is also known as dash. Option A ruling edge, Option B, working edge. Option C, fiducial edge. Option D, all the above. Answer option D, all the above. Next question. Scale of code is used to measure dash. Option A, angles. Option B, area. Option C, length. Option D, diameter. Answer option A, angles. Next question. A king post truss consists of two longer inclined member known as dash. Option A, struts. Option B, principal rafter. Option C, king post. Option D, beam. Answer option B, principal drafter. Next question. Survey conducted for unearthing relics of antiquity. Option A, geological survey. Option B, mine survey. Option C, military survey. Option D, archaeological survey. Answer option D, archaeological survey. Next question. The maximum value of measurement in quadrilateral bearing is dash. Option A, 0 degree. Option B, 360 degree. Option C, 90 degree. Option D, 180 degree. Answer option C, 90 degree. Next question. Lines passing through points having same declination at a given point is dash. Option A, isogonic line. Option B, agonic line. Option C, bearing of line. Option D, contour line. Answer option A, isogonic line. Next question. Dash is done to set the plane table in meridian at successive stations. Option A, centering. Option B, leveling. Option C, orientation. And option D, both A and B. Answer option C, orientation. Next question. To calculate an electric pole near the plane table station. Option A, intersection. Option B, radiation. Option C, traversing. Option D, offsetting. Answer option B, radiation. Next question. The method used for locating station points only by sighting towards well-defined objects. Option A, intersection. Option B, radiation. Option C, traversing. And option D, resection. Answer option D, resection. Next question. Leveling is the art of finding the dash of the objects on the surface of the earth. Option A, relative heights and depths. Option D, relative angles. Option C, distance. And option D, depth only. Answer option A, relative heights and depths. Next question. Reduced level is also known as dash. Option A, datum. Option B, benchmark. Option C, elevation of the point. Option D, change point. Answer option C, elevation of the point. Next question. The error is leveling operation during settlement of tripod entering point is dash. Option A, instrumental error. Option B, natural. Option C, personal. And option D, all the above. Answer option B, natural. Next question. The staff reading on a certain peg is 1.680 when the staff is held 0.25 meter out of the plumb in its total length of 4 meter. The correct reading for the staff held vertical is dash. Option A, 1.80 meter. Option B, 1.780 meter. Option C, 1.670 meter. Option D, 1.676 meter. Answer option D, 1.676 meter. Next question. In rise and fall method of reduction of levels provides a check on dash. Option A, backside only. Option B, foresight only. Option C, intermediate side only. Option D, all the sides. Answer option D, all the sides. Next question. For a closed traverse, the algebraic sum of the deflection angle is equal to dash. Option A, 90 degree. Option B, 180 degree. Option C, 270 degree. And option D, 360 degree. Answer option D, 360 degree. Next question. In constant vertical distance between two consecutive contours is called dash. Option A, horizontal equivalent. Option B, rise. Option C, level difference. Option D, contour interval. Answer option D, contour interval. Next question. In theodolite, traversing method consists in measuring the several angles successively and finally closing the horizon at the starting point. Option A, repetition method. Option B, retraction method. Option C, ordinary method. And option D, direct method. Answer option B, retraction method. Next question. The vertical circle of the instrument is on the left of the observer while taking a reading. The position is called dash. Option A, face right observation. Option B, face left observation. Option C, normal position. Option D, both B and C. Answer option D, both B and C. Next question. The functional 1 key for ortho command used in CAD. Option A, F5. Option B, F6. Option C, F7. Option D, F8. Answer option D, F8. Next question. The CAD command used to lighten or shorten the lines or object is option A, stretch. Option B, extend. Option C, offset. Option D, distance. Answer option A, stretch. Next question. The drafting setting used to pick a geometric point on an object is dash. Option A, snap. Option B, O snap. Option C, ortho. Option D, polar tracking. Answer option B, O snap. Next question. The CAD command used to join two parallel lines is dash. Option A, chamfer. Option B, extend. Option C, fillet. Option D, stretch. Answer option C, fillet.